This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Zoki Malekwa. Make your dream your reality and begin living your idyllic life in this wonderful Bellagio model home with a stunning pool. This Bellagio has 2,532 square feet under air with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an office, an open floor plan, great room, kitchen, dinette, and dining room, and a 3-car garage. It's a marvelous space to live a humbly luxurious lifestyle or to share while proudly entertaining family and friends. The Bellagio features a double garage on one side and a single garage on the other. Both garages feature epoxy floors, insulated doors, additional lighting, overhead storage racks, and the single garage also has built-in cabinetry. The exterior of the home is surrounded with poured concrete curbing enclosing river rock covered gardens. Beyond the front screened and portico lies a glass double French door with internal blinds enabling you to control how much sunlight you want to bask in. Once within, the foyer will welcome all with its 13 ceiling and commanding view of the open floor plan. The expansive great room is centered in the home and features a magnificent 10-11 tray ceiling with a custom plank finish, and a 4-panel 12-wide glass slider affording an amazing view of the pool and lake beyond. The kitchen is bright, spacious, functional, and beautiful. Bright white solid wood cabinets with abundant pot drawers on lower cabinets and upper cabinets adorned with scroll crown molding are graced with speckled gray quartz on the counter height peninsula, the 10 square feet prepping island and the extensive counters. Dove white quartz fashions the backsplash, and it's accented with a multi-gray mosaic tile above the Frigidaire gallery countertop stove and below the modern externally vented range hood. Stainless appliances include a GE dishwasher with stainless steel tub, a Samsung 4-door fridge, and an ELECTROLUX wall-mounted convection oven and convection oven microwave. Completing the kitchen is a walk-in pantry that will be the envy of your friends. Abutting the kitchen is a cozy dinette that has an amazing view of the backyard oasis, and it will be a great space for daily or intimate meals, and the formal dining room will comfortably host 10 persons. The spacious primary bedroom features a 10-11 lighted tray ceiling, a large east-facing bay window, 2 custom walk-in closets and a spectacular ensuite bathroom. The ensuite features a framed glass walk-in shower, a safe step-jetted walk-in tub, 2 separated vanities, ceiling fan, and a water closet for the comfort height commode. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are situated at corners of the home affording all with comfort and privacy and both feature their own bathrooms. The backyard oasis features a 28x14 free-form gunite pool with in-floor pool cleaning system and a 6-person spa. Both are heated by an LPG-powered Pantry high-performance heater and additional solar heating panels. The 2-tiered pavered deck,